Da, 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 da. Hello, hello, hello. I know you guys thought I wouldn't come back today, right? But I promise you guys that we're going to make some golden herb ranch roasted potatoes out of the liquid gold I did yesterday. Yum! Okay, let's get started. I hope everyone is, kind of rocking their week. We still got 2 days to hump day, but Anyway, just being a little silly. But I want to show you the potatoes. These are Petite Gold Gourmet potatoes. Love these potatoes. I use them for a lot of different dishes. And I thought this would be great for the Gold Herb Ranch roasted potatoes. Okay, let me show you how it looks whole. This is how it looks whole. This is how it looks whole. So what we're going to do, we're just going to slice it in half and put them in the bowl. Okay, I've already done a big bowl of them so you guys could see them, and I wouldn't take all day cutting potatoes. All right, now into this mix, I am going to add 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and 2 green onions. We really want to give it that kicked up, flavor. So we're going to pour that in here. And then next, we're going to add, this is a half a package of your ranch seasoning mix. And we're going to pour half of this, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do once the potatoes come out. Okay, so let's just get that in there. I know I've had complaints about my lighting, you guys. I promise you, I'm trying to get it right. So here is the ranch on top. You see that? With the onions, bell peppers, and potatoes. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Okay, so let's put that in there. And last but not least, oh yeah, I'm about to get my hands dirty. We're going to add liquid gold. See that? Y'all, you see how gold that is? Still gold from yesterday because all of the milk solids have been taken out. Okay. Let's just put that in there. Then we're going to take this and we're going to mix it up. Get all that butter, all of that good butter in there. Okay, let's mix it, let's mix it, let's mix it. So I want the ranch dressing in there. I want the bell peppers to have some of the ranch dressing on it. Probably should have got a bigger bowl, I know. But I want you guys to see once I mix it how it looks. When it smells amazing. So I gotta mix it a little bit in this mixing bowl. And I wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you to all of my new subscribers. Oh, I'm singing a little bit. Believe it or not, I used to lead testimony service. Yeah, I really did. Okay. All right, I want you guys to see this. And what I've done, I preheated the oven to 375, and I stuck my pan in there because when I put the potatoes on, I want the pan to be really hot. Stuff falling all out the bowl. Okay, let you guys see this. Okay, you see? It's really mixed up. the ranch, the clarified butter, the onions, bell peppers. Okay, I need to wash my hands real quick, you guys. They are a hot mess. Okay, now I'm gonna get this smoking pan out because I want it hot to put the potatoes on because I want it to roast, okay? Now remember, the oven is preheated to 375. Okay, and what we're going to do, I want to lay the potatoes flat down. And I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's a sizzle. So we're going to do all the potatoes down. And for 10 minutes, we're going to leave the potatoes face down. And then the other 10 minutes, we're going to face them back up. All right, let me get this going. This is really going to be a great side dish. Let's say with chicken, fish, meatloaf. All right, let me just spread it out. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just putting it on the pan. I'll show you guys. I'll try to get a close-up of it. All right, I think I'm done with the potatoes. Now we're just going to put the bell peppers wherever there's a space so they can roast as well. Yummo! No, I try not to be this quiet, but I want to make sure I don't burn myself because knowing me, I'll pick it up and it'll be still hot. Okay. Now I have to use a paper towel. All right, let me show you guys. I know I'm out of camera's view. So we're going to roast them side down. I want to say for 15 minutes. I said 10. Nah, let's do 15. Okay, so this is how I put them down like this. Just like that. We're going to stick them in the oven for 15 minutes, face down, and then we're going to turn them up for about another 10 minutes. But I'll show you guys after 15 minutes how they look. All right, stay connected. All right, you guys, I wanted to show you the nice roast on the potatoes as I turned them over. So now I'm going to put it back in the oven for about, let's do 12 minutes. But when I tell you the bell peppers taste wonderful with that ranch mix, oh my God, it tastes really good, you guys. All right, I'm going to put it back in here for about 12 minutes. When I come back, plate these babies, and we're done. Thanks. Stay connected. Okay, we are done. This is the golden roasted herb potatoes with Italian parsley sprinkled on top, with the red bell peppers, the green bell peppers, and green onion. You guys, I tasted one of these potatoes and I could eat the whole bowl, but I'm not going to. So please try this recipe. And also I thought I have a salmon croquette video. These potatoes would go great with the salmon croquettes. Oh, with some ketchup and hot sauce. Yeah. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. And until the next time, we're coming back with our liquid gold, and we're going to fry fish in the liquid gold. All right, stay connected. And God bless you.